My name is Brian. And I'm here to tell you about classic men's belts you've got to see. At any time, just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, Formal and Modern. This plaque-buckled reversible belt can work for any occasion, by Kenneth Reaction. Number 2, Reversible Feather Edge Belt, featuring single-prong polished buckle with logo, by Hilfiger. Number 3, by Nautica. Get your favorite belts now. Click this link below for more. Number 4, Sleek and Modern. This reversible belt is always ready for a night out, by Kenneth Reaction. Number 5, match any occasion with this feathered edge, reversible belt, with a metal swivel buckle, by Hilfiger. Number 6, Feather Edge Belt, featuring single prong buckle, and tapered end, by Levi's. Number 7, by Perry Ellis. Number 8, by Kenneth Cole. A great deal you shouldn't miss, by Amazon. Number 9, by Hilfiger. Number 10, by Levi's.